they just don't see the big picture. They don't see the cases that we do. Like, they want to go after the simple car crash cases, the things that make them money quickly and easily. We take on cases we know we may never see a dime on it, but we do it because it's the right thing to do. We do it for the right reasons. That person we represent's injured. They have a right to have their case heard before a jury. And
having a chip on your shoulder, but having a little bit of an indignant spirit, I think. And that translates to trial work quite well, just because if you can tolerate injustice and if you can tolerate your client being hurt and nobody giving a damn about it, then you're probably not going to make a very good trial lawyer.
How did you become Vince, the super lawyer? Did you always want to be an attorney growing up as a kid, or?
Yeah, so my path, I would say, was nonlinear. Okay, I took a stark detour in law school, and what happened was, when I went to law school, I was working for a firm. My first year, I was doing a clerkship, which is a segue to another case that we'll talk about later. And I was working for a dental malpractice lawyer, which was a very small, niche area of law. And after that summer, I was like, I'm not sure that this is what I want to do. And then I went on to another personal injury lawyer who was an advertiser. And the way he advertises in Yellow Pages, I'm not sure if you had the Yellow Pages down here, but back then, if you were a lawyer, this is before the internet, the way that, and you didn't have the money to be on TV, you advertised in the Yellow Pages. And guess what? If your name didn't start with the last name AAAAA, when they got to you in the Yellow Pages, they've already seen 38 different lawyers, right? The guy that I worked for, the lawyer that I worked for, he actually had his picture and his ad plastered on the back page.